Welcome to Dow and Joe. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of cryptocurrency. What is it? How does it work? And why is it so important? Let's get started. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Simply put, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain, which is decentralized and distributed across many computers. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of different cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins, have been developed. How does cryptocurrency work? At its core, cryptocurrency relies on blockchain technology. A blockchain is a public ledger that records all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. Each transaction is verified by network nodes through cryptography and added to the blockchain in the form of a block. This process is what makes cryptocurrencies secure and resistant to fraud. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered, making the entire system highly secure. One of the key features of cryptocurrencies is decentralization. Traditional currencies are controlled by central banks and governments, but cryptocurrencies are managed by a network of computers or nodes. This decentralized nature gives users more control over their funds and transactions. In addition, decentralization makes cryptocurrencies less susceptible to government interference and inflation. Let's take a look at some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. First, we have Bitcoin. As the pioneer of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin remains the most widely recognized and valuable digital currency. It's often referred to as digital gold due to its limited supply and store of value. Next, there's Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is not just a digital currency, but also a platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps. Its native currency, Ether, is used to facilitate transactions on the Ethereum network. Other notable cryptocurrencies include Ripple XRP, which focuses on enabling fast, low-cost international payments, and Litecoin, which offers faster transaction times compared to Bitcoin. Why is cryptocurrency important? Cryptocurrencies offer several advantages over traditional financial systems. They provide financial inclusion to unbanked populations, enable fast and cheap cross-border transactions, and offer a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Moreover, the underlying blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries, from supply chain management to voting systems, by enhancing transparency and security. However, it's also important to be aware of the risks and challenges associated with cryptocurrencies. These include market volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and the potential for fraud and cyber attacks. As with any investment, it's crucial to do your own research and consider the risks before diving into the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Have any questions about cryptocurrency? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to answer them. See you next time on Dow and Joe.